Let's get hot with the Nipple Play Vibrating Heated Nipple Teasers. From California Exotic Novelties, the most trusted name in pleasure products since 1994. Heat things up when you put on these non-piercing, petite, adjustable nipple clamps that warm as they vibrate. Turn here to adjust its grasp and choose from either of the 2 speeds of vibration from the high-intensity motors. Warms to a sensuous 104 degrees. Don't stop at the nipples. These petite clamps feel great anywhere you want to attach them. Just insert 2 AA batteries and you're ready to go. We've got the Nipple Play to heat up your foreplay with the Nipple Play Vibrating Heated Nipple Teasers.